With the COVID-19 situation ongoing, overseas sales for automobile have practically stopped, influencing the domestic market. Experts said this is due to the overseas export order having stopped, resulting in closure of domestic factories. Earlier in February, Kia Motors suspended all production lines of Gwangju plants due to disruptions in part being supplied from China. But 2 months later, the company is once again halting a production line for its sports utility vehicle from April 23rd to May 10th, and again from May 22nd to 25th to keep inventories at manageable levels. The 3 production lines are in Sohari Gwangmyeong of Gyeonggi province and in Gwangju's second plant. These 3 plants are responsible for producing most of Kia Motors' export model, including the Sportage and Soul SUVs. Kia had been in talk with this month with the labor unions of its factories to flexibly suspend some production to manage inventory, as overseas auto demand is hit by the coronavirus pandemic. Overall exports of completed vehicles from South Korea fell by 17.6% to 408,000 units in the first 3 months of 2020. Also, Hyundai and Kia Motors have suspended operation at most of their factories outside South Korea, including in India, China, Europe, and the US, as global economic activity continues to plunge. According to the Korean Automobile Manufacturer Association, the combined April exports of the 5 car makers, Hyundai, Kia, GM Korea, Renault, Samsung, and SsangYong plunged 43% on year to an estimated 120,000 units. Second quarter auto exports are expected to more than half from a year ago. 종민 Kim, GFN News.
이용섭 Gwangju City Mayor requested help with solutions for the Gwangju type job from the Blue House. It has been revealed on April 23rd that Mayor Lee met with Hwang Dok-sun, the Blue House job chief, to discuss the current issues of the region. The topics included the Gwangju type job, AI training, and others. It is reported that Lee specifically discussed the current status of Gwangju type job to ask for attention and support from the Blue House. It is also relevant that a willingness to push the project through the HESAM has been important as well. Therefore, the fact that this is the governmental task and is the first model of a regional employment project were discussed. The Gwangju type job is currently facing a critical risk since the labor side's declaration of their withdrawal from the agreement. Also, Gwangju City and Hyundai Motors, being the first and second shareholders, are deepening their conflict with the labor side. However, with the new elected parliament members of the region and civil organizations' involvement, anticipation for mediation is rising.
Soyeon Kim, GFN News.